Hi guys, Phil Morgan here. Very quickly, this is all about a product called Profitprime. You've probably heard about it by now. It's a brilliant new product out. It replaces Zoom, Skype. It does so much. This is a product I looked at and I thought, it's not for me. I'm going to buy it. It's rather than me go on about it, there's a demo video going to follow straight on. Check the demo and have a look at it and see what you think. For $17, it's an absolute no-brainer. I hate that expression personally, but it's just really good. So check out the demo video. You've probably heard some of the hype about the product anyway, because it's being marketed. It will be marketed well. I'm going to put a link at the bottom of this video, because if you get it through my link, the bonuses we're going to give you are absolutely insanely good, and there's about 50 odd bonuses in there, and they're all valuable bonuses. So go ahead. This is just, it's not a review video, this one. This is a pure demo video. It's a little bit cheesy for the first few minutes the guys have done, but after that it gets better, and it shows you what the product can do, and why it's worth the $17, and why the upgrades are worth it as well. They're another couple of $100, but they're bargains. They really are. And if you think of an investment of, I think it was $272 for a complete way of making money, with resale rights and everything else thrown in, it's incredible value. So check it out. Video lasts 8 minutes. See what you think of it. Okay, take care. Bye bye.
Using Profitprime is as easy as logging in, creating an instant meeting, and then holding your video conference. Okay, now we're inside the meeting, and let's see if anyone joins. Hey Radu.
Hey Colin, what's up, man?
All good, how are you?
Well, I'm really enjoying myself due to the fact that you just shared with me access to this incredible software called Profitprime. I'm just blown away by how good this call right now is. We're live together, the sound is crisp, the quality is pure HD, there is zero lag, and I can see so many features here. I don't even know where to begin by using this incredible software. So how about you walk me through some of these mind-blowing features that I can see right here with Profitprime?
Sure, so let me get you through all of the features. We have the basic features like mute audio and mute video. We can share files amongst ourselves. We can share our screen, so I can see your screen, you can see mine. We can record this session, say for a live class. That's an important feature for all live meetings to have. And we also have a whiteboard, which I've just opened up right now.
That's really cool. I mean, it really brings everything together. It's like we're in a real meeting. This works for webinars too, right?
Yeah, this works for anything you want, and we can do anything. We can type. So I can just type here, and you can see it in real time.
Right, Profitprime is great. I mean, I really love this. And I love the fact that you can really use it for webinars. You can broadcast it to hundreds of people at once. There will be no lag whatsoever. Everybody will be enjoying themselves. They'll see the whiteboard. Can you share your screen also besides the whiteboard, or instead of your face?
Yeah, of course. So I can just share my screen right now. I'm just going to share my entire screen with you.
That's really great. I mean, it really gives you all the features of webinars, in one simple to use software, and it works for real live meetings as well. Video sessions like this one, you can jump in front with your friends, your family, whatever. How about my privacy, Colin? I'm really concerned that, my privacy can be compromised by using this, like I've seen with other streaming apps like Zoom, for example.
Your privacy is highly protected because we don't really care about selling your data. We don't look into it. We don't use it for selling it to companies for ads. We don't do anything with it. Your account is for you to use.
It's all peer-to-peer, end-to-end SSL encrypted, so nobody has access to whatever we're talking about right now.
Yes, not even the support agents have access to your account. It's highly encrypted. If I look in the back end, I only see gibberish. There's not much I can do.
That's really cool. And it works for how many attendees? If I want to hold a big webinar, make it a big event.
Unlimited. You can test it with 500, 1,000 members. Go crazy.
I mean, this is so cool. And say I don't want to show my face on the screen, and I don't want to be live, but I still want to, you know, make money from webinars, because we both know there's a lot of money to be made in running webinars. But you know, I'm camera shy. Let's say I don't want to be live. Can I use this with recorded videos or with recorded, you know, stuff that I just download from online? Can I really stream this live so it looks live, but it's not really live, to, you know, hundreds of people at once?
Yes, you can. So with our done for you products and offers that our users will be able to find in the training pages, you'll be able to stream webinars of those products and sell them without ever showing your face or even talking.
Man, this is just mind-blowing. So it's all included.
All included, even from the very get-go, from the regular offer.
Now tell me this, is this a monthly fee? Give it to me straight.
Not a monthly fee. You pay once, you get all of these crazy features for your whole lifetime.
Wow. You know, I'll just say it right now, Profitprime is the best streaming software, the best webinar software, the best video meeting software I've ever seen, and with a one-time fee, it's a complete no-brainer. So thanks, Kalin, for showing me this. And you know, I'll join Profitprime right now, and I'll see you and everybody else on the inside.
Thank you very much, Radu. Talk to you later.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. But there is so much more you can do with Profitprime. So let's just quickly go through all of the settings and options we have. On the main dashboard, we have a summary of our whole account. We have a calendar with everything that's upcoming. So if we have meetings or webinars set up, they are going to appear right here. We have a chart with all of our meetings. And then we can create different meetings. We can create an instant meeting, making it publicly accessible, and we can create webinars, podcasts, live class, and audio conferences. We can even create our own meeting with our own meeting code. So the meeting your subscribers join is something easily recognizable for them. We can also create preset meetings. So for example, we can just go right here, go Profitprime webinar, type in Profitprime is so great, I love it. And here we can select the type. So let's just do a webinar, meeting category, webinar, start date time. So this is based on your time zone. I'm just going to leave it like this. Estimated period, let's say 2 hours. Again, meeting code, and if we make it publicly accessible, we can also select a maximum participant count. If, for example, you have a reserved number of spots, we can put 10. So we can do scarcity, real scarcity. Then we click on Save Meeting. Then we have even more options in the meeting configurations. So we can join meetings as guests. So for non-Profitprime users, we can enable screen sharing for them. We can closely control what our participants can and cannot do, including asking host before joining, speech detection, allowing joining without devices like camera or microphones. So anything you want, you can entirely control the meeting how you want. And above all, you can instantly invite attendees directly from Profitprime. So as I'm going to show you soon, you can import your own CSV file, and then you can email your users about Profitprime meetings directly from Profitprime. So if we now go over to contacts, here we can add our own list of contacts. So for example, let's add a new email. Let's add profitprime@profitprime.com, and we click on Save Contact. Now this contact, if we go back on our meeting, let's quickly go back, we can see they've been invited to our webinar by inviting attendees. And if we click on invite, it will send out emails to all of these emails, so they can join your meeting through your own link. You can even split your contacts into segments if you want to have some kind of organization. If you have different lists, if you have different people you want to do different meetings with, that's all possible through Profitprime. Simply select a segment, start a meeting, and that's it. And with our built-in training and with tens of support agents ready to help you at any moment, Profitprime is a no-brainer. So take advantage of this offer right now, and I will see you inside.